Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dashi Delik and Namaste. So my name is Tenzin Jongme and I am currently one of the music teachers at the Newcastle Tibetan Community Language School. Now today, on behalf of the Newcastle Tibetan community, firstly, we would like to thank the Indian government as we are very grateful for all the aid, help and support that has been given to us Tibetans and the Tibetan government in exile. Your help will never be forgotten. We are also honoured to be given the opportunity to be able to perform for you today at this beautiful Diwali event. This performance consists of us both singing and playing on the Tibetan traditional instrument called the damyen. We hope you enjoy this special performance that we have composed for you today. Thank you.